Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pay with Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to set up the contactless payments and use your debit or credit card, we need to turn on NFC and then use an app, for instance the Google Wallet app, in order to add our credit or debit card. So first let's open the settings. In the settings you want to go to connections, and then you want to make sure that NFC and contactless payments is enabled. If not, tap on this slider on the right side. After that, you should, like I said, use any app that allows you to pay. And I use Google Wallet. And from what I've noticed, I didn't have this app installed by default. Even if I go to the Google folder, I couldn't find the Google Wallet app on my device. So for this, we need to go to the Play Store. Then you need to search for the wallet, and then you should install the Google Wallet app. Of course, that might take a second in order to install, but after a few seconds you should be able to open the app. And then once it starts, then we can tap Add to Wallet. And now over here we can choose, for instance, the payment card. So if we do that, then we should be able to use our camera in order to take a picture of, or actually scan our credit or debit card. And if that doesn't work for you for some reason, then you can also enter the details manually by pressing this button at the bottom of the screen over here. And then you can enter the credit card number and then proceed with the instructions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.